welcome back. Today we are going to be showing you a very old Nerf gun video with them and my mom. If you don't know, these are my brothers and they are in the Nerf gun video. It was edited by our friend Easton. Let's go watch it.
Hello, my fellow subscribers. It's me, your favorite YouTuber, Butter Plays. Me and my brother just did this sweet Nerf gun video. Tell us if you like it in the comments below.
What's this movie about?
No, this is the show we're watching.
No, this is the show I'm gonna watch.
Okay, mister, we're gonna settle this the old-fashioned way.
Bring it on, that guy.
Shoot me! I'm doing the laundry! No mercy! Until next time.
Moms are really, really cool. She totally dominated them. Did you see the very, very end? That was really funny. Well, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.